Howdy folks, welcome back to Small Farm Guys, the garden edition here. This is just us planting our garden because, you know, we'll show you everything that we do, you know, and there's might be some people that like to see how we do our garden and, you know, not just for farming. So today we're going to be planting our tomatoes. We've got 6 big tomatoes and 6 cherry tomato plants, and then we've got our peppers. We've got 6 green pepper plants and 6 jalapeno pepper plants. And then we'll put in some miscellaneous like beans and other stuff that we have seeds for. And then I did put the other day, completely forgot, not that you can tell and it's not coming up yet, but I did put 5 rows of sweet corn in. So, but you guys will like the progress on the sweet corn. You'll like to see how I do my sweet corn and how I put knee high by the 4th of July. Usually I put that to shame. It's usually about chest high. So I'll have like the first year I grew this sweet corn that we grow, I had 10-foot tall stalks with 2 ears per stalk. So, and then like we've got some lettuce here. This actually is from last year that it started growing on its own. So we're gonna actually just keep it. We dug it up and we're gonna replant it, and then I'll put in some more lettuce seeds. All right, you guys, so what I'm doing is, it seems a little excessive to dig this big of a hole for your tomato plants, but and it looks like I'm in the middle, but I want to have the ability to walk around all sides of my tomato plants. But the reason I'm digging this big of a hole is you see that pile of fertilizer right there. Actually, it's a pile of manure and all the other additives we add to it to make it some pretty good compost. And see, Alana comes to help, and she, by help I mean get in the way. That's what she's good at, is getting in the way, stepping on your plants. But she's a dog. What do you expect? I willingly paid for her. Right, Wigglebot? Right? Do you have your foot in the plant? Right where the plants go? Yeah. I said, we'll grab the, since those are the pepper cages for pepper plants, we'll get these bigger cages around them and put them in before the dog is in there, because that way she don't step on them and kill your plants or wreck them. The time being, and maybe pop it in the ground somewhere in the garden, see if we get what comes about it. Probably nothing, but you know, give everything a fair shake. Now these you got to be very delicate with. They're very small. I don't like how small the plants are, but they're nice and wet because we do water them pretty good. Build our little mound around here. So this is what we use, the Epsom salt. Honestly, I don't know how old this is, but you don't have to use a whole lot. I just take and, you know, I'll get a cage them up, but I just get a little bit in your hands, break up the chunks, and just kind of, you know, I just give it a little dusting around each plant, and then you want to, you know, water it to make sure it goes good.